Few years back, I was stuck in the same journey as most people are today. You see, in this journey, I have learned two critical lessons. Number one is the art of investing, and number two is developing the right mindset about money. These two qualities completely transform my life. The investments that you make should work for you, and the right mindset should keep you disciplined. But it wasn't always this way. I had to unlearn bad habits, fight emotional spending, and educate myself about money. It wasn't easy, but step by step, I built a system that works. As you have rightly seen in the thumbnail, a big announcement. It's not a clickbait. From today onwards, I dedicate my channel towards two things that I have learned and it has played an important role in my life. Number one, I will be making videos which will help you learn the art of investing, and I will be making video which will help you to develop a right mindset and an attitude towards money. And trust me guys, these two qualities have played a massive role in the life of every person who has created wealth in his life. The first step to become wealthy is to learn the art of investing. Investing isn't just about putting your money somewhere and hoping for the best. It's about making informed decisions that grow your wealth over time. Here are 4 steps that you can follow to learn the art of investing. Number 1 is learn the basics. Start by learning the basics of investing. Understand concepts like compound interest, risk versus return, and asset allocation. You don't need to be a financial expert, but a solid foundation is crucial, like knowing the different asset classes available, for example, stocks, bonds, mutual funds, cryptos, real estate, etc. Knowing the level of risk involved in every class is also equally important. You should know the asset class that suits your risk appetite. Second step is start small but stay consistent. You don't need a lot of money to start investing. Even small and consistent investments can grow over a period of time. Use systematic investment plans or start investing in low-cost index fund. The key is to start now and let time and compounding do their magic. Remember that you can start a SIP with as low as ₹100 per month. It's all about how much time you spend in the market that will determine your growth. A small amount of, say, 5,000 per month also appreciates to 1 crore in a span of 20 years. Third step is diversify your portfolio. Remember, don't keep all your eggs in one basket. It's risky. Spread your investments across different asset classes. This reduces your risk and increases your chances of a better return. As I said earlier, the choice of your asset class depends on your risk appetite. You should also know the demerit of over-diversification. Step 4 is stay patient and think long-term. Remember, investing is a marathon. It is not a sprint. Avoid getting distracted by short-term market fluctuations. Avoid getting carried away by temporary temptations or buying something expensive by breaking your investments. Stick to your plan and think long-term. Wealth is built steadily. Remember, the one who spends maximum time in the market, staying invested, is the one who actually creates wealth. The second part of the video deals with developing a positive mindset towards money. Remember, even the best investment plan can fail if your mindset is not properly aligned. Here's how to develop a right mindset and a right attitude towards money. Step number 1 is adopt a growth mindset. See, many people assume that they are either good with money or bad with money, as if it's your inbuilt quality or your inherent trait. A growth mindset challenges this belief by emphasizing that financial knowledge and skills can be acquired. Whether it's understanding budgeting, investing, or saving, you can always improve with time and effort. When it comes to financial success, adopting this mindset means seeing money as something that you can learn, manage, and grow regardless of your current situation. People with a growth mindset understand the importance of continuous learning. They invest time in reading books on personal finance, following credible financial experts, and staying updated with the market trends. Second step is to live below your means. Now, don't let lifestyle inflation control you. Focus on saving and investing before spending. Build the habit of paying yourself first. This means setting aside money for savings and investments before anything else. On the other hand, remember that enjoying your hard-earned money on things and experiences is also equally important. You can follow the 50-30-20 rule of budgeting to have a balanced life. Step number 3 is stay disciplined and avoid emotional spending. Emotions can often take control of how we spend money. Whether it's buying something out of excitement, that is FOMO, or even as a way to feel better during tough times, emotional spending can hurt your financial health. Here is how to stay disciplined. Recognize when your emotions are driving your spending decisions. For example, buying expensive clothes just because you're stressed or ordering food when you're bored can lead to unnecessary expenses. So before making a purchase, stop and ask yourself, does this fit my financial goal? This simple question can prevent you from impulsive buying and help you make smarter decisions. Create a budget. It's like a map for your money. When you know how much money you can spend on different things, it becomes easier to avoid spending just because you feel like it. Always remind yourself of your long-term financial goals, like maybe saving for a house or retirement or for a big trip. Keeping these goals in mind will make it easier to say no to emotional spending.